have seen our candidates walk and we have heard them talk. So now, it's time to get to know them even deeper. Bacolod City offers a wide range of super services to cater to the needs of every Bacolodnon. This is a super city that listens, cares, and provides for all its citizens. And as we crown our Stafford Queen this year, it's important to have a queen who has the heart to support the vision and programs of Super City Bacolod. And that is what this round is all about. Get ready, Bacolod. It's time to initialize round 3. Super City, Super Services.
Initializing Super City, Super Services. Explore our cutting-edge programs and transformative projects with accessible services designed to secure ease and convenience for every Bacolodnon. Bringing quality services to the people and ensuring that no one is left behind in this fast-paced world. This super city is a hub for opportunity and growth. Adding vibrance to the lives of Bacolodnons with progress made easy. Round 3 shall now commence. Welcome to the evening gown competition.
Confident bullying in creating safe spaces for all young people. Designer, David Hilario. Miss Bacolod Masskara number 2, Queenie 1. Women to be confident just like her. As an advocate for mental health awareness, she encourages everyone to prioritize their well-being. Designer, Edgar Haranilla. Miss Bacolod Masskara number 3, Sophia K. Zaragoza. She believes in providing opportunities for the youth through her advocacy, oportunidad para sa kabataan. Designer, Ariel Apoyon. education. As an advocate for free access to quality education, she strives to ensure that no child is left behind. Designer, Riley Hiponia. Miss Bacolod Masskara number 5, Princess Emma O'Melia. She has a big heart for the elderly community. She's committed to addressing their needs, rights, and welfare. Designer, Riley Hiponia. She aims to educate about women's health, focusing on breast cancer awareness, where she encourages education and early detection. Designer, Young Guzman. Miss Bacolod Masskara number 7, Cindy Valencia. She fights for awareness, empowerment, and inclusivity for persons with disabilities. She aims to build a community where their unique abilities are celebrated. Designer, Efren Abalahon. Miss Bacolod Masskara number 8, Bea Tercia de la Peña. She strives to educate the community about healthy living to improve and sustain a healthy life. Designer, Romar Yaba. Miss Bacolod Masskara number 9, Mary Dolores Nixon. She is dedicated to child development and support. She aims to ensure nurturing and safe environments for every child. Designer, Jasmine Amante. Miss Bacolod Masskara number 10, Giselle May Sullivan. She empowers women through the power of chances. She believes in creating opportunities for women to thrive. Designer, Jamija Rivera. Miss Bacolod Masskara number 11, Gwen Maricon Lopez. She promotes a healthy lifestyle and seeks to develop passionate athletes. She encourages the citizens of Bacolod to embrace fitness. welfare, particularly for stray animals in the city. She's dedicated in finding them comfortable homes. Designer, Roshan Alpuente. Miss Bacolod Masskara number 13, and Maria Aguilar. She raises awareness about the misuse and negative effects of antimicrobials. She advocates for responsible use to protect every individual. Designer, Tony De Ramos. Miss Bacolod Masskara number 14, Kayla J. De Norma. She is a devoted advocate for elderly care. She aims to ensure that the elderly receive the respect, support, and care they deserve. Designer, Alexis Maria. Miss Rose Ilola, Miss Bacolod Masskara 2023 second runner-up, and was Bacolod City's best for Lit Eyes San Negros 2024. Tracy May Sunyo, Miss Bacolod Masskara 2023 first runner-up, and your winning Filipinas Bacolod City, who finished as a top 15 finalist.
They say it's all about the love. But for me, it starts with the inside. I'm profoundly grateful for my abundant source of strength. With family, especially when I'm drunk, during the prayers that they made. To those whose guidance and dedication help shape me to the Miss Bacolod I am today, Surgeon Anthony and Sir Chris, I am immensely grateful for holding me with such care and passion. My deepest gratitude also goes to Miss Bacolod Masskara team, Director Rodney, Masskara, Sir Gina. Their hard work have paved the way for Bacolod names to shine on the national stage. My sincere appreciation to Sir Alan Lo, Congrega Satani, and Miss Naika Sataya, Mayor Abby, Tita Lizelle, Miss Kashmir Binada, for sustaining me represent Bacolod to the universe with pride. To my friends, supporters, and even those who have cheered you on from afar. Your love and touching heart in ways cannot fully express. Magdamag you is you all have made this trip so much more meaningful. This is Yvonne Catampo, your Miss Bacolod Masskara 2023 and the Miss Universe Philippines Bacolod 2024.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the evening gown competition. The final round before we trim down the competition, which will affect 20% of their total scores. Our candidates look absolutely stunning in those gowns created by our talented local designers. Bacolod, palakpakan naman natin ang mga designers natin.
And of course, the night is made even more special as our reigning Miss Bacolod Masskara Queens grace the stage with our presence for one last time. Palakpakan din natin ang ating Bacolod Masskara Queen! They have represented our beloved city on grander stages and have brought pride to all of us. Now, tonight, we are ready to meet the new queens of Super City Bacolod who are next in line to make Bacolod proud.
And we have successfully completed the 3 remaining rounds, which means we are just moments away in naming their successors. From what I've seen, all of them are definitely capable to bring pride to Bacolod as they share the Super City's vision towards progress. So, this is going to be one tough call for all our judges.
All 15 of you were truly amazing tonight, and that deserves recognition. So our second set of sponsors are now ready to name the new face of their brands. While we wait for the results, let's give our second batch of corporate award.
So for our first corporate award is SM City Bacolod. And our Miss SM City Bacolod is candidate number Candidate number 12, Jasmine Mahilo.
She will be receiving 2 overnight stay with breakfast at Fort Inn worth 70,000 from Fort Inn Bank Anderson. SM Cinema and Snack Time gift certificates worth 25,000 from SM Cinemas at SM City Bacolod. Talent contract as brand ambassador for SM City Bacolod worth 15,000 for a total awesome value of almost 100,000 pesos. To be awarded by Ms. Julia Habinana, Mall Manager, Mr. Lorenzo Bendito, Assistant Mall Manager.
Our next award is a Smart Choice Award. And the Smart Choice Award goes to candidate number Candidate number 11, Gwen Maricon Lopez.
She will be receiving 5G handset, sash, and bouquet to be awarded by Art Lamaya, Senior Manager of Smart Communication Incorporated.
So, our Miss Bella Beauty Award goes to number 13, Anne-Marie Aguilar.
She will be receiving 20,000 cash, sash, and bouquet to be awarded by Miss William Shua and Margarita Gutierrez.
She looks stunning. Thank you, Tole and Yusek, for representing Bacolod tonight. Love you guys and congratulations.
And now for our next corporate award. This is Miss Dito Telecommunity. And the winner is candidate number Candidate number 7, Cindy Valencia.
She will be receiving 15,000 cash, brand new Samsung A15 with 12 months promo subscriptions from Tito Telecommunity to be awarded by Karen Gresha, Area Sales Manager, Peter Romanillos, Regional Trade Marketing Manager, and Raymond Lajo, Territorial Sales Specialist for Western Visayas.
Our next award is Miss Global Strategic. So, our Miss Global Strategic goes to candidate number Candidate number 3, Sophia K. Zaragoza.
She will be receiving 20,000 cash, sash, and bouquet to be awarded by Thomas Paas, Senior Recruiter, Jemima Gutierrez, Office Assistant, and Ariel Avila, Office Manager.
Our next corporate award is Miss Bingo Plus. And our winner is candidate number Candidate number 5, Princess Ella Olivia.
She will be receiving 15,000 cash, bouquet, and sash to be awarded by Mr. Juan Angelo Perez.
Goes to Miss Top.ph. So, the criteria, let me talk about the criteria first, okay? The criteria for Miss Top.ph was selected via the following criteria. 30% most influential. This is through the most referred top PH user. And 30% most loved candidate gained through the most liked TikTok on the top PH account. So judged during the coronation night, 20% on beauty, 10% on personality, and 10% on audience impact. Our Miss Top PH award goes to candidate number Candidate number 13, Anne-Marie Aguilar.
She will be receiving 15,000 cash, sash, and bouquet to be awarded by Mr. Ken Alberta, President of Top.ph.